Thank you for joining this course. And you have built a strong foundation. Together we have built it. And hopefully you will feel more confident, curious, and empowered to speak about AI now. This is just the beginning, and AI is growing, expanding, and the good news that you are now the part of this expansion, because you know a little bit more than you have known before you have taken this course. And I'm glad that I contributed to your knowledge a little bit. So if you would like to stay in touch with me, I am on LinkedIn. Please join me and let's explore opportunities together. Let's grow together and let's take care about our planet and about farming together. Thank you.